Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down, almost all the way down, to find General Management. Let me go back. Here we have to tap on Language and then tap on Add Language. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on it. And I will pick maybe I don't know which one. Because I don't want to choose a random one. I'd like to show you how it will actually change. Maybe Turkish. So let me tap on it and let me choose the region. Your device will immediately ask you whether you'd like to change the default language, so just tap on Set as Default, and as you can see, the Turkish language has been immediately applied to the top of the list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language is added here, so as you can see I've got Turkish and the English which was previously set, we can quickly change the language just by tapping on the desired one. So let me pick English, just tap on it and tap on Change, I believe. And now it was ticked, it is at the top of the list, and the whole system is in the English. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on Edit, mark the languages which you wish to remove from this list, and tap on Delete. Tap on Remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.